up, bro. Holy crap, bro. It's so cool in this field. It's so cool from my vision. Holy sh! Okay, I can see that. That's so freaking loud!
Yeah.
Holy crap! What the hell is that? Dude, okay, here comes the... Sorry. I would...
Okay.
He's crying. Is he crying? What's he? Oh, I can smell the smoke. I see smoke. Look. Okay. Okay. Big about it. Okay. It's so smoky. Okay. I swear, if there's fire, I'm gonna run away. I just stop recording. What the hell is that? It's so loud. Okay. Are you chewing? That was a lot of smoke. Oh my gosh, I can I see ashes! Ashes! There's a lot of ashes! My lungs hurt! I wanna post this on Facebook here. My lungs hurt! My liver also hurts! Okay, that's okay. I hope that... Okay, no, that's all. I hope it doesn't run out of space! Come on, you shut up! I don't know what the hell is doing. I bet it's gonna cause a fire. I'm gonna go a little far so you can see. I don't know. That's a lot of ashes. Oh. I want to end this recording because I might run out of space. Wait, no. Because last time on that video of hide and seek, we played with my cousins. It was 15 minutes. I recorded on my iPod. I'm recording on this iPod. So, so it won't run out of space. Oh my god. sure there's a lot of ashes. Please. How many fireworks are over there? Okay. Okay, that's a lot of ashes. That's, I think, yeah. And of course it is a big one. If those fireworks would connect to each other, it would just never do that! That's a lot of ashes. So much. How many fireworks? Oh, okay. How many fireworks is? How many fireworks is all of that, though? Sorry. Okay, I know this is. I know there's a big one coming. It's gonna be real big. Okay. Okay. What? How many fireworks did they add it? I can feel the ashes in my lungs. I hope I can hear it. I look stupid. Oh, here comes a big one. That was not big. I can feel the ashes in my lungs. I want a piece of bed. Oh. How many? Okay. Where is it? How many ashes did they bought? I don't know where it went. Oh. I can hear. I can hear. Wow, this better be it. Oh. How many fireworks did they buy, bro? Are they rich? Are they Mr. Beast? How many? How many? Okay, stop. Stop that. Okay. I can feel the ashes in my lungs. It hurts. And liver. Okay, here comes the big one. No more. That's all. I know there's more. Okay. Okay, this better be it. Oh no! Come on, I knew it. I know it's gonna be good. Okay, you want me to see it? I feel goosebumps.
Bye.
Shut up, you moron! This better be it, y'all. wanna leave. I wanna start recording. How many fireworks did they bought? 100. Okay, that's special. But I got confused for a second. I don't think you Oh, come on. Shut up, you moron. No.
Shut up, man.
Can you shut up before I tell Mom?
Look,
You ruined my photo. I'm gonna upload it on YouTube.
you don't even know how to post on YouTube.
Yeah?
Then that can show how much of an annoying person you are.
Well, it's your own fault, man. Shut up! You're ruining it! Shut up! Yep. Shut up!
Hey, you guys, be nice.
Don't mind the town. Don't mind my sister. She's a moron. She's just.
Alright, do you think we're cooked? Do you think we're cooked?
Shut up. Try to record it.
You can edit it.
I don't know how to edit it. I don't use CapCut. Don't mind my sister. It just. You know what? Never mind about that. Ignore her. Cook for what?
Start it in.
Okay. That's all, guys. See y'all.